Hannah. What you doing there, Hannah? Oh, bless you. She's trying to roll over. Keep going, keep going. Oh, kick those legs. Sometimes extra drool helps. You know, you can get it swinging one way. Yay! Good job, Hannah Nana. Good job, Hannah. She rolled over all by herself. Look at you go.